Okay, so now we're gonna do contact on contact sparring drill with blade contact on all three blades. The first round is Kalahi against Parrot. Ginunting, the winner of this round will get to do contact with Vulpes training Ginunting. Okay, let's go. Stop. We had a malfunction with Kalahi. As you see, the blade chipped upon contact drill, which is a malfunction that is gonna disqualify Kalahi. Also, on another note, the handle is really uncomfortable. I could feel every hit going from the palm of my hand to my shoulder. Now let's compare the Parrot ginunting. As you can see, no damage to the blade except the silver color from the Kalahi blade. How did it feel in hand?
Well, it felt really good. There was some slippage, but overall it's very comfortable and it can stand a beating.
Okay.